Hi everyone, I'm Vaibhav. I would like to talk to you a little bit about the market volatility that some of you may have observed of late. I would think that it's a great opportunity for you, to use this dip to top up your investment, to start an SIP, or for those who've been sitting on the fences waiting for a correction, to enter the market at this point. You have to understand that India is in a long term bull market. The economy is very strong. Our external position is the strongest it has been in recent times. And even the budget, you know, policy is clearly heading in the direction of growth. So, as far as we are concerned, we think that India has you know, an easy upcycle for at least the next 3 to 5 years. And that's why, imagine, there's something like earnings of India are going to sort of go up, but markets are sort of going down. Something that is worth 110 rupees is probably now available to you at 75 or 80 rupees. So you should definitely make use of this opportunity, because these sort of opportunities do not come very often. You may recollect that in March 2020 and April 2020, whoever had the courage to invest when the markets were falling made handsome returns, in the corresponding period after that. So that's why I would urge each and every one of you to sort of use this as an opportunity, and top up your investment. Thank you so much and enjoy your day. Bye bye.